So let's make an order and into the scanning interface. We can see the main interface of scanning, which include the current software version. It's under the APS 3D intraoral scanner, and here we can see the number of this current version. And middle parts, we can see the test, and this is the order name for this order. And the right place, we can see the real-time frame rates. The number of scan frame is the image number, and the total scanning time. And this next part is for the connected of our intraoral scanner. We can see this is with a green status, and it means the connect. And if our intraoral scanner is disconnect, it will show a red and a short video. And next one is the calibration function. Use this button and we click well into our calibration. Next one is the system configuration. And system configuration can help us to customize our own setting. And the next two with the minimize and the close. Then let's go to the left parts. From here, we can see the scan techniques instruction. It can help us to know how to scan with short video. And the middle place, we can see the scan setup. We can customize to choose our scan workflow. This is upper, this is the lower, and we can manually click to switch to our own need parts. And this order we have finished, so just show us. And we can click this scan setup to add some pre-op upper and scan body. When we finish our customized workflow, we can confirm it. And if we don't need it, we can delete and click confirm. And the right parts is our toolbar. And later I will show you how to use with them. With the left lower parts, we can see the real-time view and the scan mode. For here, we can see it's the automatic. And if we scan some model with special, like resin, like metal, we can choose them. And for this window, it's a real-time view. And when we scan with our scanner, we can see the real time from this camera. From the middle of lower parts, it starts and rescan. And the right part is our impression scan mode, the enhanced mode, AI optimization, and exchange upper and lower. That's all for our scanning interface. Now we focus us with the toolbar. The first function is a log tool. It's used to prevent accidental deletion and unwanted edit. When us do continuous scan, like segmented model and scan body. These two, for example, we use this model. And in the screen, we use this tool to lock this area. And then the next time we start for our scanning, it will not accidental to add or delete the lock area. And the second tools is the edit tools. When we open these tools, it will have several features. The first one is the brush, lasso, rectangle. These three is our tool selection. And under them are the tool size selection. We can make our tools big and small. Under these parts, we'll have the cancel selection. If we select the parts and we don't need it, we can cancel. And the next one is inverse selection. We can inverse to select like this. And the next one is the eraser. When we first start to select and want to little adjust the area, we can use the brush to delete the parts. And the last one is the delete selection. Edit tools is used for our model improve. If sometimes we scanning with little tissue and saliva, it will make the model incorrect. So we need to use the edit tools to improve our scan data. And this button is help us to delete. For example, we can see the screen. And this part may be my hands or the model's outside place. It's not included in this model. So we need to delete it. Like use this brush, we select, and then we can delete it to improve our model. And then we can see the last two, it's undo and restore. And this is all for the edit tool. Next one is the color mode. It can switch the model color from true color to the gray mode. It can help us to check the whole model. The last of this toolbar is the model rendering mode. When we open this mode, we can help us to scan mode with blue shading. And it can note us if someplace with unscan or gap. It can help us to continue scan with this model and improve it. So under the toolbar, let's focus with the enhance mode and upper and lower exchange. We can see this place have 4 buttons. For the first one, in impression scan, it's like its name. It can help us to improve the scanning impression model. If we want to scan the impression model, we can click this to improve our scan quality. The second one is enhanced mode, and this focuses up with the patient's intraoral scanning, such as our patient with saliva and strong stains, and our intraoral scanner cannot catch the real teeth. We can open this button to improve our scan quality. The third one is the AI optimization. I suggest to open this function when our scan not only model and intraoral scanning, because this function can improve the image processing capability. And the last one is exchange the upper and lower. If our scanning workflow is wrong with the upper and lower, we can use this button to one click to make them correct.